Do you lock your door properly? If you don't, you won't be insured. So today, we're going to show you how to lock your door correctly. I'm Paul from Window Fix Direct. We repair, supply and fit all types of double glazing. There's two main reasons why people don't lock their door correctly. They don't lift the handle up before they put the key in and lock it, or they lift the handle up and don't put the key in and lock it. Without lifting your handle up and turning the key, your door is not weather tight from the wind and the rain, and it's not secure. The idea of lifting the handle up is for the bolts on the door sash itself. They shoot out into the frame and make the door secure. If you lift the handle and don't turn the key, you can still open the door. But if you lift the handle, turn the key, you're not able to open the door. It's nice and secure. So in order to make sure your door is secure, lift the handle, lock it with the key, and your door is nice and secure.